Happy Friday. Okay, so tell me, is this dumb? I mean, I don't care. Okay, so this is getting a little long, and with my glasses, it flips out. And so I was like, well, what if I just curl it a little with my flat iron and see what happens? Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Because this kind of goes along with what I'm going to talk about, so I need to know what your opinions are. Cute or not cute? Hi, Nancy. Good morning. Okay. Day 5. Oh, I have to tell you, I'm in the basement, right? And these stupid little beetles, we must have really bad windows down here, but I love it. Keep it. Okay, I will keep it. Thank you, Molly. They are just, I've got 2 of them flying around in here. They're really distracting. So anyway, okay. So, day 5, I have to tell you something. Last night I was a part of the Garden Gate Women's Night last night. Thank you so much, Ashley Anderson, for including me last night. I had the most fun. We did some makeup. I did some girls' makeup. I did some ladies' makeup. I had a little bit of wine, had some adult conversation, and it wasn't overwhelming, and I didn't feel disappointed walking away, because vendor events are not always productive for me or fun. Hey, Angel. And so last night was a lot of fun, and I just want to say a special thank you to Ashley Anderson and her group of ladies for including me, because that was wonderful. I had the best time. Angel, yes or no on the curl? Tell me. Is Emmy watching with you? She would tell me. Okay, so, I don't like that. Anyway, I'll just stick that in there. Okay, so day 5, reason number 1. The reason why I am doing this, typically right now, this very minute, why I feel like this is my thing to do is it has boosted my confidence 100 times over. My husband even comments on my confidence level, what I do, how I do it, how I approach things, how I speak to people, or, I mean, even just the way I wear my makeup. If you saw, oh, Millie's crying. I love it. That's how you do my, yeah. Well, great minds think alike, right? Oh, I bet Birdie's in there. That stinker. I'm really distracted, you guys. I'm sorry. So my number 1 right now is confidence. So if you've watched my other lives, I've done a live each day this week, and I've given you a word or a couple words each day. Comment or message me. Well, don't comment. Don't give it away to everybody else. Message me, private message me if you're in my VIP. Okay, you have to be in my VIP group. You have to message me, and you have to get all 5 days correct. Okay, so I have a special word or phrase. Right. Thanks, Angel. Each day you got to get those and then message me in Messenger, but only if you're in my VIP. You have to message me, or you have to be an active participant in my VIP. So go to Uniquely Sarah and ask to join, and I will get you in there, and then you comment, okay? Or not comment, message. So day 5, confidence booster. Okay, some of you think that, let me just say, some of you think that taking selfies is vain. Some of you think that putting makeup on is vain. Some of you think that, or may think, you don't necessarily think, what I do is silly. That's okay. You can take yourself off my friends list if you don't like to, but what I do is I try to boost other people's confidence. Okay, so if you see confidence in me and I can teach you some of the things that I do that make me feel good on the inside, doesn't that help you? And then that confidence spreads, like other people see it in you, and then they feel confident about themselves, right? So it's not just, if you check out my Facebook, see how many selfies I've had before I started Younique. I never wanted to take pictures of myself. I was always really uncomfortable. And within the last year and a half, I have just flourished. And I love the abilities that I've grown with, and the friendships I've grown with, and my ability to approach things differently because I have the confidence that I've built within myself. Makeup doesn't give me confidence. My abilities and my abilities give me confidence. Little things around my life give me confidence, and it shows through me, right? It should like come out of my body. You know what I mean? So number one, right now, my reason, and this will change, my number one reason right now for doing this is confidence building. It has boosted my confidence and made me feel unstoppable. And who doesn't need that on a Friday, right? We're unstoppable, you guys. Kick your butt into action and get to work, right? Hey, Ashley, good morning. How's the shoveling the doo-doo? I hope it's enjoyable. I had so much fun last night. Thanks so much for including me. I loved it. It was the best night I've had in a long time, so I appreciate it. So that's my thing, confidence. So if you've watched my lives all week, make sure you add yourself or ask to be added, request to be part of my VIP group. And if you can name all 5 things I've talked about this week, message me in my messenger and I will randomly pick a winner. If you are all of those, you have to have requirements. And then I will send you a little something, something. That's great. It was like Kool-Aid. That thing is like an adult juice box. I may have to bring another one with me next time if we do this again. So, for sure. I know I helped put a dent in the box. So, anyway, I'm going to get off. I hear Millie. Thank you. You're so sweet, Angel. You're coming quite a long ways too, my friend. Yes, I was nervous. Yep, I don't get nervous anymore. I just get on. That's that confidence. I don't care. I'll make it work, right? Got to. All right, you guys. Enjoy your Friday. Have a great weekend. I will try and hop back on again in maybe tomorrow. Okay. See you later. Bye.